Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So good. I should have ordered a whole case. Hey friends, it's Shayla with singing a new song, and recently I did a Azure grocery haul, and it seemed to be appreciated by a lot of you out there, so I decided I would do another one this month. This is our grocery haul this month, and it's more of like a cleaning supply vitamin haul, but there are a couple grocery items in here as well. My family's been ordering from Azure Standard since I was a child, and when I became an adult and got married and got my own family, I continued ordering from Azure. If you're not familiar with Azure Standard, I do have a blog post and I have a video that I did recently sharing all about who Azure is and what they're about. So I will link to those below for you. But today I'm going to show you guys what I got this month. Here I have an abrasive scrub. It's a citrus cleaner, and it's supposed to be like, kind of like, you know, like a sink scrub or cleanser. And I'm super excited to try it. So it's an all-natural product. Oh, you can see it there. The ingredients are pumice, sodium bicarbonate, so basically baking soda, and pure essential oils of, I'm assuming orange, since it is a citrus cleaner. And it smells really good. I'm excited to see how it works, so I'll let you know. Here's some ionic potassium. My husband takes this and it helps him so much with leg cramps and muscle cramps that he ends up getting, especially in the summertime. Here I have my teen son's vitamins. These are just I believe they're a whole food vitamin that he takes, and I like to keep in stock for him. I got these for my baby. He's 2, and so he doesn't take capsules. We have a dandruff relief shampoo for one of our kids who has, a couple of the kids who have dandruff. And it's Jason. I only ever use natural organic shampoos. There's sometimes where I make an exception if I have to, but I'm really sold on using organic, natural bath and body products, especially for the children. Ever since I got Hashimoto's hypothyroidism, I can't take a bunch of capsules like I used to be able to. So I've been doing gummies. These are women's multi-gummies. I love Garden of Life. They're Garden of Life. Young Living is another brand that I really love, but they don't have gummies, of course. But when it comes to whole food vitamins, Garden of Life is one of my favorites. Getting into the cleaning products now. Azure Clean is a new brand that Azure has commissioned somebody to help them make, and I'm really excited to try it. I have not tried very much from Azure Clean yet, and so I'm really excited to give it a try and see how the Azure Clean products work. So I'm going to let you know, and I will let you know by the end of this video what I think. We have super hard water, and so Azure Standard has a community group page, and I asked in the community group page others' experiences with the laundry detergents at Azure, asking which one works the best for hard water. And a whole bunch of ladies came on and said, this one is great for hard water. So I'm really excited. I'm hoping it really does work. I wanted the liquid, but Azure was out. And so they had this kind, which is of course the powder. So I'm going to give it a try and see if it works. And also for the hard water, I got this laundry booster, Charlie Soap Laundry Booster. You can get it off of Amazon too, but I think it was a little bit less from Azure. Another Azure Clean product I'm excited to try. This is for the bathroom. We have 4 boys. I think that's all I need to say. But it's a Stench X Stain and Odor Remover. And I got it, yep, for the bathroom. I'm really excited about this here. This is a huge jug. No phosphates, no dyes, no SLS, no SLES, no ammonia, no butyl, no chlorine, no animal testing, and it's earth friendly. My motto is if it's earth friendly, it's going to be less toxic for humans too. That seems like it's a general fair and safe guideline to go by. This one is fragrance free. It is for the dishwasher. If I wanted to make it fragrance though, I could just add some essential oil of lemon or something when I'm doing the dishes. But I'm excited to try this because I hate using toxic dish soap that has chemicals in it because it doesn't all wash off. If you look into it, you'll find out that it doesn't all wash off the dishes. So you actually consume a little bit of the dish soap that you wash your dishes with in the dishwasher. We have a ton of family coming through in June. So because of that, I wanted to get some paper plates. But if you read into the ingredients that paper plates are made with, there's even formaldehyde, which is cancer causing. So I got these. It says they donate 25% of the profits to social and environmental causes. And of course, these are certified, these are compostable plates. They also had compostable cups, and I think I'm going to get them next month closer to when all the family is coming. But I got these to start stocking up on paper plates for when all of our family starts coming through, because I don't want to have to be washing dishes all month long. I'm super excited about this. Azure has a lot of stainless steel baking products. They have cookie sheets. This is one of the things that I actually needed. I already have cookie sheets, stainless steel bowls and things that I got at Azure years ago, like 20 years ago. And they're still strong, they're still awesome. But anyways, Norpo is a great brand, and I don't have a lot of space in my kitchen. I have a very small kitchen. I'll just show you. So here's my kitchen. You can see it's small. It's just a little U shape. It's amazing that we're a family of 8, and this is our kitchen. All of the food for the whole family gets made in this kitchen right here. Very tiny. And so I don't have much counter space. That's why I got this Norpo rack. So see, it's got 3 tiers to help save some space, so I don't have to have stuff sprawled all over my counter. And the very last thing that I got today was one of my favorites. Every time I order from Azure, I can't help it. I have to get wild brine and stock up on it. If you guys have never tried wild brine, you have got to try it. It is so dang good. This one's the salsa rojo and this one's the salsa verde. I don't know which one's my favorite, but every single wild brine probiotic fermentation they make is out of this world, phenomenally good. It just like explodes in your mouth with flavor. You guys gotta try it. Done with the dishwasher started. What? Always loved Azure Day. Azure Day has always been so fun for me. It, you know, everything comes in a box or multiple boxes depending on how big your order is. And with Azure Day, it always feels just a little bit like Christmas. And so every month when we have Azure Day, it's always one of my favorite days of the month. Definitely has a lot more scrubbing power than baking soda does alone. Wanting to get this for a very long time. I've been eyeing it for, gosh, I mean, you know how long, oh cool. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's gonna work. That's gonna work. No new lemon for you. Okay. Moment of truth. Here I go. Say a prayer for me. Okay, I'm back. That wasn't so bad. It's very strong. This stuff is very strong. I know I said I always get fragrance free. This is actually Ling Ling and it smells really good. I was surprised by the smell because it does not smell like a really supernatural product like you would think of a natural product, but this stuff, it says it's earth friendly. It says no phosphates, no chloride, no SLLs, no SLEs, no butyl, no animal testing. And like the first thing you smell is the really good lang smell, and it smells super clean. But it says to spray everything down and let it sit for 5 minutes so that the enzymes, let's see, where did it say that? For kitchen and bathroom, spray onto surfaces and fixtures and wait 5 or more minutes so the enzymes can dissolve the soils and odors. Scrub or scour if required. It's going to require it. Anyways, rinse with water or wipe well with a damp cloth. And you can also use this on fabrics and carpets, it says. Like I said, it didn't smell supernatural, but it says that it is power without poison. That's the dishwasher going, by the way, because I want to let you guys know how well that stuff works. Anyways, clean home, clean planet. It says it's plants, minerals, and science. The main ingredient is water, an enzyme hybrid, alcohol ethoxylate, ISO 9235 certified natural essential oils. So we'll see. I mean, it smells like it's really doing something though. Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Are you gonna put that in the cake?
No, I'm not putting this in the cake. It tastes like candy. So I waited the 5 minutes and I went back and I cleaned up the spray that I had sprayed the entire toilet down, and it didn't even smell like the same room. So I'm excited to see what it smells like tomorrow, to see if the smell, well, I still have the boys living here, so it's probably not a good way to judge it. Anyways, as of right now, I just cleaned the bathroom with this. I sprayed down the entire toilet. It smells really good. It does not even smell like the same room. So I will definitely be getting this and keeping it in stock because it really seems like it works. I'm impressed. It can be used in the kitchen too, and I wanted to show you guys how it does a nice mist. See, it does a really nice, even full mist, so you can see how it will cover, you know, like something that has a lot of crevices very well. So I'm going to make some roasts right now. It's one of my children's birthdays, and we're doing a big roast dinner. And of course, I am going to season these with the spices that I showed you in my last video with the Azure Spice Haul. Oh, I love it. It works really well. This was, I'll leave a price right here. I just had super greasy hands and I used some of this and it worked really well. It got all the grease off my hands. I am going to see if I can take the label off because I'm not crazy about the colors and I don't think I want them on my counter. So the label comes off and look, I like that. It looks cleaner to me, a little more minimalistic, and the colors don't go in my kitchen. But when you see this on my counter, you'll know that this is what it is, and I highly recommend this as well. Again, it's plants, minerals, and science. It's all natural, earth-friendly ingredients. Again, same as the other Azure clean products. No SLS, SLES, no EDTA, no Laurel 7, no phosphates, and all of that. None of that. It's got none of that junk in it. So I'm just gonna throw this away. But you know what it is on my counter now. This is a spice blend my husband made. It smells so good. He makes it with a combination of different spices, and a lot of them come from Azure.
Ba ba da ba ba.
and buying from Azure Standard is that when I do, I am supporting small farms. I'm supporting small businesses. I'm supporting individuals who really need the support instead of supporting corporate America that doesn't need the support. Corporations where when you support them, you're helping somebody buy a third house in Hawaii. When you support companies like Azure Standard, you are supporting people that really truly need it to survive. The dishwasher is done. It's heating and drying right now, but I can't wait any longer. I want to see how well this cleaned. Everything smells really good. It smells clean. Let's see. Wow. There's no water spots. Oh my gosh. You guys, oh my gosh. I am not kidding. I think this got things cleaner than the Cascade does. Wow. I did not expect it to work like this at all. Everything looks truly sparkling clean. This is spick and span. Unbelievable. We also got some piggy paint nail polish. My little gal, her favorite nail polish color is red. Unfortunately, red is one of the most toxic nail polish paint colors that there is. So I like to make sure that if she's going to wear red nail polish, that it's definitely a natural kind. A couple more super fun things that I almost forgot to tell you about that I got is this fresh vanilla scent, and it's basically just like an essential oil perfume, and it smells so good, you guys.